Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's one, I want to do a hot oil treatment. Like it's in my wash day. Okay, I just finished doing a hair treatment, a 2 week challenge of using fenugreek seed on my hair. If you've not seen that video, please do well to check out that video. You'll be amazed by what fenugreek seed, yeah, did to my hair. So I want to do a hot oil treatment on my hair for my scalp and the rest because I'm a bit itchy on my scalp, maybe because of the 2 weeks of long carrying hair. Okay, and I want to like treat my scalp and also treat my hair as well. So I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, liking and sharing it, and commenting as well. So let's get to the ingredients of using the oils I'm going to be using for this hot oil treatment. Okay, so let's go. So love, this is the oils we'll be using. We'll be using black castor oil. I'll be using my measuring spoon, which is a teaspoon. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys all the oils we are using for today's recipe, and the next one is coconut oil. So coconut oil is a bit lighter, so I'm mixing thick oils and light oils, and yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. This oil is so amazing for your scalp. Okay, it's going to help you to detoxify your scalp. Like your I'm using jojoba oil right here. As I said earlier on, I'll be using my measuring spoon, which is 1 tablespoon. I'm using that for each of this recipe. I know the oil is going to be much, so even if the oil is remaining, I can still use it to apply it on my edges. Yeah, so I'm also using tea tree oil as well. All these oils I'm using has amazing benefits for our hair growth. Like it helps to moisturize our hair, it helps to clear out dandruff, and I'm also using sweet almond oil. It helps to clear out dandruff. It helps to grow out any bald spot or thin edges you have. When you use hot oil treatment on your hair, it helps to stimulate blood circulation. Okay, I'm also going to be using argan oil. It helps to stimulate blood circulation on your scalp. Okay, love, so try doing these treatments maybe once a month. Okay, and I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. So if you don't have all these oils I'm using, just use the oils you have in your house. Okay, so the last one I just added now is the amla oil. I have is a little few drops, but I'll add in amla powder inside this oil. Okay, so everything can infuse together. So love, to make the oil hot, I'm going to be doing our double boiler method. Okay, so I'll put my pot, put water, and put my oil on top of it and keep on stirring for everything to infuse together. Everything actually did infuse together. Okay, you see that in the next clip. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, hello, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. My name is Naturally Jessie. In my channel I do natural ingredients to help you to regrow your edges, your bald spots, your alopecia hair. Yeah, I suffer from alopecia. I am trying to grow out my front edges, like it was really so bad, so I'm trying to grow it out. I hope one of my videos engage you to subscribe to the channel as well. So this is what we have right now. I am going to strain this. Okay, I am going to remove the chaff from the oil. Okay, so that we can get on our oil and we can apply this on my hair. So here I'm using my cheesecloth. If you have a wig cap, you can use your wig cap for it. So I'm using my cheesecloth. I'm just going to pour it and squeeze out the oil, and we'll go to the next step, which is application. So loves, it's time for application, and this is our oil. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's warm. Okay, make your oil look warm. I was licking ice cream because the weather was literally so hot. So I'm gonna part my hair in sections, and I will apply the oils all over my hair. This is a treatment. Okay, my hair is not washed. Okay, I have not washed my hair, so I will apply this before I wash my hair, so that when I'm washing it, I will wash out the oils I use on my hair. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to apply it, and I'm also going to be using it as a detangler as well. Okay, use the oil as a detangler as well. So guys, how I applied it, I apply from the root of my hair, like the root of my hair to the ends of my hair. Okay, that's how I applied this oil on my hair. I put it in the roots, massage it, and straight it down to the ends of my hair, and also straight out the ends of my hair. Then I twist my hair, and I do the same thing in all the sections of my hair. Okay, so if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts, leave your comments, and yeah guys, so this is what I did this day on my wash day. I do this every time I want to do it, like a wash day routine. I always do this. So besties, I'm done with all my hair. I have sectioned everything. This is what my hair looks like. I am going to use my nylon, okay, to cover my hair. I make sure I smell it to make sure that it's not dirty. So I'm going to use it to cover my hair. Okay, if you have a shower cap, you can use that. I don't like using my shower cap when I'm doing all this my DIY treatment. Okay, so I like using this disposable nylon because I can use it, then I'll just throw it away. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this. I'll leave this for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will wash it, and I'll show you guys how my scalp looks like. So love, this is the leftover of the oil. I am just going to keep it, and I can be using it to stimulate my front edges as well. So this was the hair fall I have after the whole detangling process with the oil. 30 minutes is over, and I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I wash it. So love is right now I want to wash my hair. I'm going to be using warm water, okay, to wash my hair so that the oils can come out. So I'm just going to pour water on my hair, and I love how thick my hair is. Like the volume and the length and the thickness of my hair is just giving me vibes here. So if you've not seen that video where I did 2 weeks challenge of using fenugreek seed, please do watch to check that video out. So right now I'm using my shampoo. Okay, this is a DIY black shampoo and cloves and rosemary shampoo. Okay, it's in the channel, please do well to check it out. Okay, this smells so nice, and I also added coffee to it. I have been adding coffee to my hair regimen, and it has been giving me amazing results. Okay, so if you've not used coffee in your hair regimen, try use coffee in your hair regimen. You see your results. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and I will wash and scrub my hair and remove all the oils that I just applied recently. I wash my hair like twice. Okay, loves, I wash my hair like twice. I use my hair massager to massage it while I wash it. I wash it twice just to make sure I remove all the oils on my hair. Okay, and my hair felt so good, so clean, and also it was shiny as well. So guys, this is my hair. My hair feels so soft, so clean. Like I literally love this treatment I just did. Okay, let me show you guys my scalp. My scalp is clean. I think it added shine to my hair as well. So this is where I'll draw the cotton for this hair. I just only washed it. I've not conditioned it yet. I want to do a deep in condition, which will come at another. I'm going to do a deep in condition, then style my hair, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying the combination of the oils for a hot oil treatment, or you want? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For me, I love it, and it really did justice to my hair. My hair feels more shinier. So you guys can see I've taken my hair away from this light, so from the sunlight. So my hair feels more shiny, and I love it. My scalp is clean, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.